Today on Tech and Toys, we're going to show you how you can jailbreak any iOS device running up to 13.5. Now, for this to be successful, there are a few prerequisites you need to follow. Firstly, you need to disable Find My Device. This can be found under Settings, Passwords and Accounts, Your iCloud, and under Find My. Once you have done that, then you need to disable any PIN code locks you have set up. This is done under Settings, Face ID and PIN code down at the bottom, so disable all of those. Lastly, ensure you have the latest version of iTunes and iCloud installed on your computer, and ensure you're logged into both of those. At this point, we would highly recommend you take a full backup of your device, so in the event of any problems you may have, you're able to restore your device back to where we are now. For the next stage, you will need to download Alt Server. This will enable you to be able to sideload an IPA onto your device. All of the software used in this tutorial are in the links in the description below. We highly recommend you only get these from a genuine source and not from third parties. Okay, now that you've downloaded and installed Alt Server, you should have an icon on your desktop like this. Before opening Alt Server, open your iTunes with your device plugged in, and under your device in iTunes, ensure the sync with this device over Wi-Fi is ticked. This is very important. Once that is done, you can close down iTunes. Next, double click on the Alt Server icon. This won't seem to do anything, however it is loaded down on the bottom right of your taskbar. If your device over Wi-Fi sync is working correctly, simply click on the icon, select Install Alt Store and your device name. Once clicked, you will be asked to enter your Apple ID and password, so go ahead and do that. Okay, click Install when you've done this. This message here is just from where we've installed it on other devices, so I'll click OK here. In a few seconds, it should appear on your iPad screen as an icon. It can take a few seconds to come up. Okay, there we go, the icon's appeared down the bottom. For the next step, you will need to download the Jailbreak IPA itself. So open up Safari and visit this website, unc0ver.dev. Now, at the time of making this video, the latest version is 5.0.1, so just click the download button. This will download to your downloads folder on your device. You'll be ready for the next step. The last thing you will need to do is go back into the settings and general, and you will need to ensure under device management down the bottom here that you trust and install the last profile that was put on by the Alt Server application. Once you have done that, you can open up the Alt Store, click the plus button at the top. It should go straight to your download folder containing the IPA you downloaded a moment ago. Click on the Uncover IPA. At this stage, it may ask you again to log back into your iTunes username and password, so if it does do that, you can tell when it's installing by the bar moving across the top there. Once completed, go back to your home screen and you will now have the Uncover application icon. Simply open this. Once open, click on the Jailbreak button at the bottom, and once completed, click OK and the device will now respring. Okay, once your device is resprung a few times, you should now have the Cydia icon along with the Alt Store and the other undercover icon from before. So there we go, your jailbreak is now done, and you can begin to sideload applications, your favourite emulators like ScumVM or Game Boy emulators, etc. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any comments or questions, then pop them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching this bite-sized tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe.